Hi everybody, it's Carlin here from The Real Outdoor Experience. Thanks for tuning in. You may know us from our videos at therealoutdoorexperience.com. Our mandate is one thing and one thing only, and that's to help you get outdoors. One of our focuses is to provide you with the best possible gear reviews, and our friends from Altan Safe Outdoors have been with us for many years, and they have fantastic products. It's actually hard to choose which Altan Safe Outdoor product is right for you, and that's our job, to help you figure that out. Now, there isn't a right and a wrong when it comes to ground blinds, but there are several options. Today, we want to cover the Bush Lodge Extreme. So there's a couple aspects of the Bush Lodge Extreme that we want to cover. Obviously the setup. We want to go inside and look at the blind so that you can see the 360 view because it is pretty special. Then we'll cover some of the features like the lanyards, the pegs, the bag, and how it sets up. And then we'll take it down and show you how easy that is as well. Let's get to it.
I've sped this video up not because it's long, but because I'm sure you get the point of how fast this blind goes up. After locating the blind where you want, simply pull on the metal eye hook on the exterior of each wall hub and give it a pop. The blind sets up in seconds. This blind does have the 360 view and can be put anywhere, but I would recommend finding a backstop, especially in the sunny months, so that you don't get silhouetted inside the blind. Locate the blind where you want and proceed to peg the lanyards and the blind loops around the bottom to the ground. This will help with the wind.
This blind comes with a little bag for the pegs. Great place to keep them in so you don't lose them. I'm going to take a peg out. I've already attached the lanyards. You're going to have to do that when it's brand new. Just simply peg these in all four sides, and that'll help stabilize the blind in the wind. Peg all the sides down. There's little loops on the sides and on the corners to put all the pegs in, and that also helps stabilize the blind in the wind. Well, it's time to go in and take a look. It's very difficult to show you the view from the blind, just simply because the camera is focusing on the camouflage on the outside here. But you'll see a number of lines as we go around here, and those are just access doors. Those are different doors, different size doors and windows, so that you can choose what you need for shotgun, for bow, for crossbow, for whatever you're using. Down here, this black area, and that is designed to help with minimizing movement from within the blind. So if you're moving your legs around, that is going to protect you. Let's just scroll up here to the roof. You'll see that it's black, so that area of the blind is waterproof and will shield you from the rain or the snow. All of these doors have double zippers for convenience to allow you to put the door or the window at whatever level you wish. That's a look into the Altan Safe Outdoors Bush Lodge Extreme. Let's take a minute, take the blind down, and I'll show you how quickly it cleans up. That's it, folks. It's that quick. Into the bag we go. Well, folks, that's it for the Bush Lodge Extreme from our great friends at Altan Safe Outdoors. Whether it's turkey, whether it's deer, big game, whether you just want to get out and enjoy the outdoors, Altan Safe Outdoors ground blinds are perfect for all kinds of applications. Check out Altan Safe Outdoors website and our reviews and figure out the right blind for you. I know there's one out there. Well, that's it from Carlin and Chevy from The Real Outdoor Experience. Thanks for tuning in. As always, don't forget. Can you say it, Chev? Keep it real, folks. Thanks and take care for now. Don't like the turkey?